You stare at screens for hours every day. Here is what it is doing to your eyes. Screen time is silently damaging your eyes every single day, and most people have no idea. After this video, you will immediately change how you use your screens forever. The average American now spends over 11 hours every single day looking at screens. Phone, laptop, television, tablet, screens are everywhere and your eyes never get a break from them. 11 hours of daily screen exposure is causing serious and permanent damage to your vision. Eye doctors worldwide are reporting a dramatic rise in screen-related eye damage and vision problems. Here are 5 serious things happening to your eyes every time you stare at screens. By the end of this video, you will want to protect your eyes immediately. Damage number 1, digital eye strain affecting over 65% of Americans right now. Digital eye strain causes headaches, blurry vision, burning eyes, and neck pain after screen use. Your eye muscles work constantly to focus on screens, causing severe muscular fatigue and strain. Normally you blink 15 times per minute, staring at screens reduces this to just 5 times. Less blinking means your eyes dry out, causing burning irritation and permanent surface damage. 65% of Americans currently suffer from digital eye strain without even knowing it. Blurry vision after screen time is your eyes telling you they are seriously overworked and exhausted. Screen headaches happen because your strained eye muscles send pain signals directly to your brain. This damage is cumulative, it gets worse every single year without proper protection. Fix: follow the 20-20-20 rule. Every 20 minutes look 20 feet away for 20 seconds. Damage number 2 is permanent, and it is happening to younger people every day. Damage number 2, myopia or nearsightedness is growing at alarming rates worldwide. Children who spend more time on screens are developing myopia at dramatically younger ages than ever before. Constant close screen focus causes your eyeball to physically elongate, permanently changing its shape. This elongation makes distant objects permanently blurry, a condition that cannot be reversed without treatment. Myopia cases have doubled in the last 20 years, directly linked to rising screen time. Scientists predict that by 2050 half of the entire world population will have myopia from screens. Young people today are getting stronger glasses prescriptions earlier than any generation in recorded human history. Spending at least 2 hours outdoors daily significantly reduces myopia development in children and adults. Natural light triggers dopamine release in your eyes, directly slowing the progression of myopia. Outdoor time is literally medicine for your eyes, it protects your vision naturally. Damage number 3 happens invisibly every single night, and almost nobody knows about it. Damage number 3, blue light from screens is permanently damaging your retina cells. Blue light from screens penetrates all the way through your eye, reaching the sensitive retina directly. Blue light damages and kills retinal photoreceptor cells, and these cells do not regenerate or regrow. Once your retinal cells are damaged by blue light, that damage is permanent and irreversible. Long-term blue light exposure dramatically increases your risk of macular degeneration and permanent central vision loss. Using your phone in a dark room at night causes maximum blue light retinal damage. Blue light also blocks melatonin production, destroying your sleep quality and your eye recovery overnight. Fix: use blue light blocking glasses and enable night mode on all your screens today. Night mode reduces blue light emission by up to 50%, protecting your retina every night. The damage can be slowed significantly, but only if you start protecting your eyes now. Damage number 4 affects your focus ability in a way that gets worse every year. Damage number 4, your eye focusing muscles are weakening from constant screen use daily. Your ciliary muscles control focus, constant screen use keeps them contracted all day without any rest. After hours of screen time, your eyes struggle to quickly refocus on distant objects around you. This condition is called computer vision syndrome, affecting 90% of heavy screen users worldwide. 90% of people who use screens more than 2 hours daily develop computer vision syndrome. If you get regular headaches after screen use, your eye muscles are severely strained and fatigued. Poor screen posture also causes neck tension that travels up directly, causing eye strain headaches. Fix: keep screens at arm's length and at eye level to reduce muscle strain significantly. Daily eye exercises strengthen your focusing muscles, dramatically reducing strain and headaches within weeks. Just 2 minutes of daily eye exercises can reverse years of screen-related focusing damage. And damage number 5, the most serious and permanent of all 5 screen damages. Damage number 5, increased risk of glaucoma, the silent thief of sight. Research shows heavy screen use raises intraocular pressure in your eyes, a primary cause of glaucoma. Glaucoma damages your optic nerve, causing permanent peripheral vision loss that progresses into complete blindness. The terrifying truth: glaucoma has almost no symptoms until significant and permanent vision loss has occurred. Heavy screen users should get their eye pressure checked by a doctor every single year. Once peripheral vision is lost to glaucoma, it cannot be restored. Prevention is your only option. Glaucoma is called the silent thief of sight. It steals your vision without warning. Reducing daily screen time and taking regular breaks significantly lowers your glaucoma risk over time. Eating leafy greens and omega-3 rich foods also significantly reduces your risk of developing glaucoma. If you have not had an eye exam in over a year, go now. Those are all 5 damages. Now here is exactly how to protect your eyes. Here are 5 simple things you can do right now to protect your eyes. 1. Follow the 20-20-20 rule every single day without fail or exception. 2. Use blue light glasses and enable night mode on every screen you own. 3. Spend at least 2 hours outdoors in natural light every single day minimum. 4. Blink consciously and use preservative-free eye drops to keep your eyes properly hydrated. 5. Get a comprehensive eye exam every single year. Your future vision depends on it. Your eyes show you everything beautiful in this world. They deserve to be protected. If this helped you, hit subscribe. We break down body science every single day for you. Share this with someone who stares at screens all day. Their eyes will thank you. See you in the next one.